Your WeatherTech floor liners and mats were made to keep your vehicle clean and pristine, but they need a good clean themselves to look and perform their very best. Whenever you give your vehicle a wash or wax, spruce up your mats as well with WeatherTech's specially formulated TechCare FloorLiner and FloorMat Cleaner Protector Kit. Let's take a closer look. This kit features a dynamic duo that works quickly to remove scuff marks, dirt, and stains, then leaves a durable protective coating to restore your mats to their original glory. Plus, the rinse-off cleaning formula contains biodegradable ingredients and is free of phosphates to help protect our waterways. Once the cleaner is rinsed off, it's time to go in with the protector. This product imparts a durable, anti-slip finish and dries with no residue, giving your mats a long-lasting, like-new appearance. Clean and protect your investment with WeatherTech's TechCare FloorLiner and FloorMat Cleaner Protector Kit.